Hello, everybody. It's CJ Miller. I'm in Shreveport, Louisiana, uh, across the Red River from beautiful Bossier City, Louisiana. I have finished setting up these LED lights, and in the iridescence of these smart bulbs, I can see where this is really going to be really neat for the painting that I've worked on, which is kind of I've been working on it for a few months. It's kind of a rainy day uh, painting. During the daytime, it's going to have, you know, uh, natural light falling all over it, and everything's going to be really vibrant and sort of bright. Even with the rain on the window and everything, it's going to look great. And then at night, well, these colors take on the tone of what it might look like at night. So that's kind of cool because the lights are dimmer. Especially, I don't keep like really bright light on. So that's kind of cool, for me. Yeah, obviously, if you don't keep light directly on something, it uh, it looks like you would be seeing it at night or whatever. But this is a lot of the times I painted, but I painted with the overhead light on, and the reason why I did was so I could kind of get a crisper look. But all these colors were in the same like color tone. They were mostly tertiary, meaning that there were some red, blue, and yellow, and but they were not straightforward blends. I tried to get as close as I could, and then of course, as I painted, I started to realize that they were translucent. I like how this looks in this moderate to dim lighting because I feel like that's my head right there, by the way. But I feel like uh, we're gonna try to turn this light off behind me so we will get rid of the shadow. We shall try. The uh, light source may be a bit dim here without some sort of I think no, I think it depends. When the lights get a little bit brighter, it comes in a little bit more focus. But this is what it's mostly going to look like at night. It'll look like, yeah, like outside at night through a window or something like that. So that's kind of cool. So in the daytime, it'll look like a rainy day, and then at night, it'll look like a stormy night. Uh, and intensity of the bulbs, or the light source or whatever. That's important. But also, look at this. It's kind of like with the light changing, different effects are coming. Uh, so this would be really cool to set some lights behind it or nearby or something like that. This is by all means not its final. This I'm not going to sit it up here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to prop it on that wall there. But I think it does need a little bit more direct light, than say light coming from behind it and just peeking through a canvas, which is, uh, it allows the light to come through like a screen. It's cool. But this isn't like it wasn't meant to be an intentionally functional piece. But yeah, so I'll get a shelf, and then maybe what I'll do is I'll get like a couple of little battery operated tea lights or something like that, and put around it to help it pop a little bit. Okay. Uh, hey guys, love and light, peace. It's time for me to eat food. Good night, bon appetit.